Hey there guys, it is JR, and today I'm going to be doing my best to show you guys how to install an aftermarket shift knob on your 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado with a 5-speed manual transmission in the floor. Alright guys, so here's a few of the tools you're going to be needing to do this job. You're going to need some channel locks or a pipe wrench or something of that sort. I recommend a small punch and a hammer to get it wiggle the rest of the way off of there. You're probably going to need a torch. That's the only way I was able to get mine off, and a light is always. Alrighty guys, so as I'm sure you found out if you've tried doing this, it's not too easy. You can't just get it by twisting it. You can see I even tried putting some pliers on it here and still didn't really do anything. I even tried getting the little sleeve at the bottom and tried pounding it off with a hammer too. Just nothing seemed to be working. So I decided to hit it with a torch here. Cooked it pretty good, waited till I could see the plastic starting to melt. Honestly ruined the shift knob. What I'm doing there is I'm heating up the glue on the inside that's holding it on, so it's going to make it easier to break loose. So now you can see if I get some leverage on it and twist it pretty hard. It still takes a grunt, but it does go ahead and break loose. I can take the little adapter piece that came with the new shift knob and fit that on the inside of my shifter stick. Like I said, on mine it fit better on the inside than the outside. So I just kind of pound that in there, get it nice and snug. And then I got a piece of the old shift knob to actually slide back over the stick to take up some slack that was in my new shift knob. So I fit it on there, made sure it fit all good and everything. Tightened down the set screw that comes on most of them. I had it facing towards the bottom there where you can't really see it. And all I had to do was really try it out, and it's on there good. It's not coming off. Fits good, feels good. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you found this helpful, and subscribe and stay tuned for more content like this.